me see. 179.50 will be the next level, but it's so small. There it is. 179.30. Tons of sellers came in. You guys see it? 179.30. They just dropped a bomb. Look at it right there. Look at the L2, you guys. 20,000 sell.
Amazon plays in this channel, so yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's why I said this 179, 28 to 30, right? This is going to be a big, big, big deal, right? And luckily, not luckily, you guys all know what the hell you're doing, but we know this from experience. Look at that. Bought out. That was bought out. That 179.30 was bought out. She's going to be a ripper now. Go, go, go. SPY up here on this double top. Look for this pullback here on SPY. Look at this double top. 520.33-ish. See this? Oh, yeah. I want to show you guys something here, too. VIP members get this every single day. But if you, again, this is just something you should be watching for. Look at this. You guys see this green level? That's showing you resistance. And look at exactly what it's doing on resistance. Everybody see it? Support. Support. Broke through resistance. Hasta la vista, baby. Everybody see all these?
Yes, sir.
These are massive, massive helpers.